Pump it again. So next time, pump it twice or 3 times instead of once. It died. Kick it down. That's amazing. It just did that on its own. Leans wicked to the left.
Yeah, bad. I don't know if it's George Martin.
Radio on and heat works.
Pretty good.
Paid for by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.
Did you know your home needs a fireplace and furnace safety check every year? Lou Manfredini here. For over 50 years, Lindemann Chimney Heating and Cooling has been taking care of Chicagoland's finest homes, like yours. Schedule that safety check instantly at lindemann.com. It's time you experience the road.
Award-winning Hyundai Palisade or the new Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a Hyundai vehicle that is perfect for you, and the great people at Scott Levy's Rosen Hyundai of Algonquin and Kenosha will help you find it. Plus, you get Hyundai Assurance, America's best warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Scott Levy's Rosen Hyundai of Algonquin and Kenosha want to buy your vehicle too. The values are at an all-time high. Scott Levy's Rosen Hyundai of Algonquin and Kenosha will make you a great cash offer, the easiest trading process. And they built their reputation on one simple belief: the customer, that's you, is the most important thing. They guarantee your car buying experience will be easy and enjoyable. Experience that Rosen difference. Check out inventory at rosenhyundai.com or rosenhyundaikenosha.com.
No, it's 2.
No, 4.
good news is it didn't die.
I killed it once.
Well, no, I mean, it didn't die.
Needs a tune-up. Bad.
Got something clunking in the right rear. What, on some brake hanging up or what?
It could be. Could also be joints. It could also be the shocks that are bolted into it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, because I thought when I turned the corner, like, what the hell was that? Oh yeah, I never put the shocks back in it.
Yep.
She's slow,
Well, I can imagine.
but it's fun.
I have no idea. I'm not hacking this forward. You gotta straighten out.
You're coming in like this.
Yeah, I know. Am I good? Hang it. Everybody's going forward. Bring it up. Hang on. Bring it up. Good. He's never done. Wow, doesn't hard to do it. I gotta be right at the top.
You're right at the top.
Now I'm gonna get some speed. I have no idea. Where am I? It doesn't have to go all the way. That's good.
Small block swap.
No,
Small block swap.
we are not
So I'm
touching
saying,
the
yeah,
engine.
I also have
No,
swap.
I
no,
also have the fear of
Nope.
spinning the tires and going sideways and then I'm screwed.
nope. It just needs a tune-up and it'll be fine.
Just need the small block.
It needs a tune-up.
I think reverse gear is way taller than first. I think from now on it's
There's
going
a
the other way.
273 sitting at your house that came out of a 66.
Nope,
That would be ideal.
nope,
It's even numbers matching.
no.
What are you doing? I haven't used those.
They're bothering me.
No, no, no. It's staying original.
Valiant is leaving temporarily.